Dadgineering, we're currently put this garage door opener in. It's another dad. Yeah, but we're in the middle of it, so I'm gonna have to explain it afterwards. Dadgineering here. We actually replaced the Craftsman with a Craftsman, so we used a lot of the existing parts that were already here. One thing that was kind of, since we were using the existing parts, we had to take this down, and yeah, it really it's a two-person job. Then these bolts right here, that's really what's holding the garage door opener to the track. And so when you undo those bolts, then you can take the chain off the sprocket, and then the whole thing you can take down after you disconnect the wires. Now, what happened, they already replaced the sensors a while back, and they used existing wiring, which had less wires to it. And so we just ohmed them out and made sure we had the right wires, and then that's that. So now we believe we programmed it correctly, and Orlando, yeah, you pushed it. He pushed it, and here it goes. This is our first test. Okay, and it stopped. And go ahead and push it to close it. And there you go. And one thing we want to note, we loosened up the chain because we might have tightened it too tight, and we also went ahead and greased the garage door opener. We use WD-40, but there's also some stuff they make for garage door openers specifically, and we'll be getting some of that also. All right, it's working. All right, Dad. All right, Dad. Yep, killing flies.